Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, I have the Samsung Tizen TV. This is the latest operating system from Samsung. And of course this is for your brand new TVs. Especially if you have bought a TV recently, it would come with the Tizen OS, which is Samsung's latest OS. As you can see here, this is the remote. And in today's tutorial guys, I'll walk you through resetting your TV. Now of course, you can reset your TV in the case where your TV has gotten slow over time. And of course, if your TV is slow over time, it can be as a result of you using your TV for a long time. It can mess with the speed, and not only mess with the speed guys, it can also mess with the overall functionality. So if you want to get that fresh out of the box functionality, then I suggest that you look into resetting your TV. Do note this will erase every data on your TV. You'll have to log back into accounts and download apps again. So proceed with caution. And also, if you're going to sell your TV or give it away for whatever reason, this is a great way of erasing everything. All right, so you're going to get your remote. You're going to move over. You notice that panel to the left. You're going to move all the way down to settings. Alright, so you're going to be on all settings. You're going to go to all settings here. Then you should be in this menu. You're going to go down to the option that says general and privacy. Once you're in here guys, then you're going to see this general and privacy menu. You're going to go all the way down to factory data reset. Now it says here that all the settings will return to factory defaults. Alright, so you're going to go here. And of course, it's going to ask for the PIN. That's the PIN that you use when you first set up the TV. And of course, once you got to do is just enter your PIN and then go through the setup. And of course, it should erase your device. Alright, so I won't be erasing this device. I'm going to show you where to find the reset settings option. It should be straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen directions and it will walk you through the process and it will erase your TV completely. All right, hope this was helpful, and as always, this is Ricardo Gardner showing you where to find the reset factory data reset option to get your TV reset. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and saying bye until next time. Bye.